How much? How much? How much? That is gorgeous, man. How much? Generally running about half of what it was for a diamond joint on these, about $3,000 versus $6,000 to $7,000 if you was running, you know, SI to VS stones. You can go up to 8 if you want to go VVS, but you can see them gemstones dance. I had a client inbox me the other week. You know, people generally just want to get me on the phone to do this type of things, but ask me about this, and we never heard from them again. You know what I'm talking about. Yellow gemstones. He wanted yellow gemstones. I only want to spend about 3 bands. Then you give them the breakdown, and you don't hear from them no more. So this is why we don't generally do how much. Is grill business is not a how much quote type business, man. We will be doing a lot of that and will not be making money. But as you can see, these ones are fitting as many stones as you can fit in the teeth. These are beautiful, gorgeous emeralds. One of my favorite stones, and then you can see why. Number one, I'm from the Emerald City. So you can already imagine we got a little slight love for emeralds. We always grew up hearing about that. Even before we knew what an emerald was, we knew we was from the Emerald City. How much, how much, how much, how much, how much, how much? That's the funniest thing in the world, man. Whoever created how much, I want to strangle them. We got to find out who created the term how much. I'm coming to see them. That is the most annoying, time-wasting question in the planet, bro. How much, how much, how much, how much? That's what it sounds like when you hear it 100 to 300 times a day. How much for this? How much for that? How much? And you already know. That's the #1 time-wasting question. That almost never ends in a sale. Always ends in a bet. Thanks. I'm shopping. I'll get back with you. So it's all good. We totally understand. Some people are shopping. But we just would appreciate it if guys get with us whenever you're ready. Do your research on the website. Do your research online versus asking how much, y'all. Because that's asking somebody to work and you're not purchasing. So this is not a Foot Locker where you're trying on shoes on our social media pages. So we really appreciate you guys for respecting the business and look forward to hearing from you. Every business works different, guys. I don't want to hear, yes, I'm a customer. Well, every business is different, guys. If you don't think that's the truth, check out the NFL and the NBA. Their contracts, completely different, right? NFL is much more harsher. I wouldn't say harsher, but it's a little bit more rougher business, but they get paid less. So you can't say, well, in NFL, NBA, it doesn't matter. Their contracts are different. Everything's different about the two organizations. That's just one example. Grocery stores or mechanics, or I would not call those people up or text them talking about how much. So please, you guys, respect us and come with us whenever you're ready, and we will work with you. But how much? How much? How much? How much? How much for this? How much for that? How much for this? How much for that? How much for want this? How much for send you a picture? How much for that? It's not how we work, y'all. All right, y'all. Peace.